Very good afternoon to you all. Today, before starting activity, I am going to show you a material, permanent marker, brushes, sketch pens. In tattoos, normally we use the acrylic paint, but today we are not going to use the acrylic paint. Of course, I will teach you how to use acrylic paint in a tattoos, but we will start with the sketch pens. So different techniques. So, so I will take a hands off my daughter. So let's try to do it. uh, Before drawing this, you can use a pencil or pen also for a drawing, but directly I am going to use a marker. So for doing tattoos, I'm going to use a shapes only, shapes, simple tattoo with the shapes. For example, you can use a triangle, square, circle and all. So it is a technique only. You can create your own design also. I am going to teach you only the technique how we can use a sketch pen, and let's start it. So first shape is square, one more square, small square, triangle, one more square, circle, triangle, square, more square. Last one more small square. So after doing this, you will notice I am going to use a very dark lines. You have to use a very dark line. After this, I am planning to use a red sketch pen. So outside, we will give the shade with the red. Outer, sketch pen, outer, red sketch pens. So it's a beginning for the first lesson of the tattoo. So we are going to not going to use a difficult composition, very simple composition. After doing this, using only water. So with water, separate this red color sheet. spread this red sheet with the water. The life of this tattoo not much, only 2-3 hours. It automatically gone over. See, and let it dry now. This out sides and let it dry. Now purple, green and a blue combination. You can change your combination according to yourself, your taste. But one thing also you should notice, you will not use a much color, less color. For example, I am using a purple. For purple, only with the outlining. You will notice this, you will not cover whole area. Okay, only outer. Let's use a green. Green shade. Outer. And blue, of course. Or pink. Pink can be used. Everybody likes pink. When we take the class in art room, students are always saying, "Sir, pink color." So, and I always call my assistant, Jagat, arrange a pink color. I hope you will remember the Jagat. He arranged the brushes and all for you. See, after doing this, again using water, less water. See, less water. And separate it. Use again water. Those have allergy on a hand, they will not use this color. So make sure. Very, very nice color. We'll use this tattoo in acrylic also, but for a beginning it's a good to use the shapes. After doing this, I'm going to use a yes, marker. So let it dry. So let's use a marker. Let's try to give the shadow of this. So it will give the good effect. Yeah, I have given the shadows only one side, not both side. Fine. So let it dry. It's a beginning. It's a practice. This is for a practice. You should do it with the shapes only. Of course, I will teach you how to uh, make a more drawing, more tough composition, fishes, figures. Some figures also I'm going to teach you. But for a practice, this is a very useful to use the shapes only. Okay. So all the best. Tried this at home. Next time I will do some more composition and more creative. Take care. Bye bye.